This is the QILIMA no noise packing tape. Let's take a look. It is very quiet. Let's see how it covers up things. So you frequently need to cover up a label when you're packing. Not the best. Let's try another piece on there. Yeah, 2 pieces will do it. There's 2 pieces. Let's try 1 piece again. It's a little bit translucent with just 1 piece. It might work, but not as good as it could be. We can see that. It feels pretty strong. Very strong. So the strength is excellent, but the opaqueness is only fair.